Republic of the Philippines is a constitutional republic located in Southeast Asia in the western Pacific Ocean. It is an archipelago of 7,641 islands, bounded by Taiwan to the north across the Luzon Strait, and Vietnam to the west across the South China Sea. The Sulu Sea in the southwest separates it from the island of Borneo and the Celebes Sea to the south from other islands in Indonesia. It is bordered to the east by the Philippine Sea. They are grouped into three main geographical divisions: Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Manila is the capital and Quezon is the most densely populated city, both part of Metro Manila. The Philippines has an estimated population of 92 million, ranking 12th in the world by population. It is estimated that there are 11 million overseas Filipinos worldwide. Multiple ethnicities and cultures are found throughout the islands. It has a tropical climate and is one of the richest areas of biodiversity in the world.